The following video is a HAAS Super VF2 SS. Unit is new 2003. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, well, let's go ahead and start with our axis. We'll go with X. Our Y. Our Z. All right, we'll go through a couple tool changes. All right, now I'll go ahead and do a spindle test. That is 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000. 4,000. 6,000. 8,000. That's 10,000. That is 12,000 RPM, the max of this machine.
Again, the preceding video is a HAAS Super VF2 SS, new 2003.